জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Look, I can't stand this anymore. Please tell me what you saw.
I saw Jasmine putting a garland around Drupto's neck in a bridal attire.
Oh, thank Lord. Nayan didn't see the actual thing.
No. What did you see? Jasmine put a garland around my neck in bridal attire.
Yes.
What nonsense are you saying? No, this can't happen. This is not possible, Nayan.
Why isn't it possible, Drupto? Nayan's vision always come true. Am I right or not? Nayan? I hope it's clear to you that there's a baby in my womb, right?
Yes. There is indeed a baby in your womb, Jasmine, and it is true.
Nayan!
Piku? Did you sign a bond of slavery to mother?
Will you do as I say? Will you be able to divorce Rangana? Will you be able to marry again?
Do not disturb me, Rangana. I request you leave me alone.
Nayan, what are you saying? What's wrong with you?
Drupto, I am only saying what's true. I've heard the heartbeat of Jasmine's baby with my own ears. Drupto, take Jasmine home. Now onwards, Jasmine needs proper care.
No, it's not possible. It's not possible at all. I can't do this. No way. No.
Hey, Dripto, at least listen to me, Dripto.
Jeet, what happened?
Dripto couldn't accept it and just left. And he's very angry.
What? Please bring Drupto back, Jeet. Where did he go? Where did he go? I'll just go and...
Nayan!
Oh no, Nayan fell. Just hold her. She
Get
can't
up,
even
Nayan.
see.
Get up. Get up, Nayan.
You just fell flat on your face, just like your fate.
Are you hurt?
No, Jeet, I'm all right. You just bring your brother back quickly, please.
Yes, I'll do it. Look, I'll find Dripto and bring him back. But stay here until I come back, okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Wait. Where are you going?
How dare you? How dare you stop me, Jasmine?
Is Dripto a baby that you have to look for him if he gets lost? You won't go anywhere. Be right here.
No, Jasmine, don't stop, Jeet. Let him go.
No, he won't go anywhere.
What do you think? I will obey your orders. Get out of my way.
No, I won't. Look, I need my prescription and medicines. She can't see at all. So it doesn't matter if she stays or not. So you have to be here. Got it?
Look, Jasmine, you are...
Wait, Jeet. Jasmine is absolutely right. My presence and absence are both the same.
Nayan, what are you saying? Jasmine is not more important than Dripto to me.
Jeet, I was being restless a while ago, but now I am telling you that nothing will happen to your brother, Jeet. I know your brother won't go far from me, Jeet. He knows that he is my eyes. My world is dark without him. So he'll come back. He'll come back for sure.
Oh, really? Nayan? You still believe Dripto is your eyes, right? But according to the condition, you have to get me married to Dripto. Do you remember that?
Yes, I do, Jasmine. Since I've given my word, I'll get you two married.
Do you understand what are you saying? I won't let you make such a mistake, okay? There's no way.
Calm down, Jeet. I have to keep my promise, won't I? Jasmine will get married to your brother Dripto if
If what?
no one else comes to claim your baby, Jasmine.
Keep quiet. What do you mean by that? There's no other claimant to my baby.
Let's go, Jeet. Jeet,
Yes.
please take me along.
Yes. Let's go. Come on. Be careful. This way. Easy.
Oh Lord, why did Nayan say this? How come she thought about another claimant?
Wait here.
Jeet? Jeet, can you see Dripto? Can you spot him anywhere? Why hasn't he come back yet?
Dayan, I can't understand anything. I'm looking around, but Dripto isn't here. He isn't around, and
Nayan? Oh no! Did your eyes left you here and just escaped? What will happen now? Huh? Didn't you say that Dripto could not leave you and go anywhere?
hey, will you keep quiet? Who asked you to talk so much, Jasmine?
I know, Lourdes. He is here. He won't leave me and go anywhere. Jeet?
Yes.
Jeet, is there a temple nearby? My heart says Dripto is there.
All right, let me check. Let me check it.
Hey man, watch out! What are you doing? You could have been hit. Move away.
Hey, careful, careful, slowly, slowly. Yes.
Wait,
Hey,
are you kidding me? Should we look for Dripto in temples now or what? Oh Lord, I'm so hungry. I have to take my medicines. Take me home first. Then you can go and search for Dripto, okay?
Move away, Jasmine. Let us go.
What do you mean by moving away? You don't care about me at all, do you? What do you want? Dripto's baby to starve to death?
will you keep quiet? Just keep quiet. No more nonsense, okay? You want to go home, right? Wait a second. Here. Here you go. Take. Here. Keep it. If you're in so much hurry, then drive back home. We won't take without taking Dripto back home. Come on, Nayan.
She is expecting. She is gonna have a baby.
I've heard the heartbeat of Jasmine's baby with my own ears.
Oh no. I never felt so helpless before. What's happening with me? I have no connection with whatever Jasmine is saying. But how will I get rid of such a big allegation? I won't be able to face anyone with such an allegation. I won't be able to.
Who rings the bell so frantically? Jeet?
Yes.
Jeet, can you hear the bell ringing?
Yes, it's coming from a temple nearby.
My heart says Dripto is at the temple from where the sound of the bell is coming. Will you please take me there? I want to go there now.
Yes, yes. Come on.
Yes.
Let's go.
Why did you do this? Tell me, why did you do this? Why? I heard you supported the truth. I heard you do justice. But you helped the one who did wrong. Why did you ruin my life like this? Why? Why did you make Nayan lose respect for me when I didn't do anything wrong? Why? Tell me why. Today you have to answer me. Tell me why.
Dripto, where
Nayan,
are you?
careful. Nayan.
Nayan. What happened? Nayan.
Thank goodness. The actual person is taking care of Nayan.
What are you doing? Why were you running like this? You might meet with an accident. Nayan, did you get hurt?
My eye is not with me, so I'm getting hurt again and again. Dripto,
Dripto,
Dripto, what are you doing?
No, I'm doing the right thing. You are saying that your eye is not with you. But Nayan, you are going away from me yourself. Nayan, you believe what Jasmine is saying, right? Do you want to get me married to her? Is this what you want? Tell me.
Now I will see who stops me from getting married to Dripto. Nayan, Jasmine's plan is unbeatable. Who is it? Unknown number? Hey, why are they calling me back although I disconnected? Hello? Who's this? Why are you calling me repeatedly after I disconnected the call?
This is me. This is me, Jasmine.
why are you not receiving the call? What's the matter with you?
I'm calling you from a public telephone booth after trying to call you many times.
You!
Nayan, you. Yes, you. You have hurt me the most. The most, Nayan. Nayan, how could you promise Jasmine that you would get me married to her if she won the bet?
Do you have to know everything, Dripto? Dripto, please calm down now. Let's go home. Come on.
Gee, did you see this? Just look at your sister-in-law. She's not even bothered about my restlessness.
You know, Jeet, your brother seems to have lost faith in me.
What do you mean? Nayan, what do you mean?
Dripto, the truth only becomes true when it is proven. You are the one who said it, right? For the time being, Jasmine's words have been proven to be true. So we have to accept it. Right, Dripto? But the proof which seems true to the naked eye can hide something else in it. Am I right? I will definitely find out the real truth. I promise you in front of this temple. But just have faith in me.
You find out the real truth. But Nayan, didn't you say that Jasmine was pregnant? Then what truth can be hidden inside this truth?